Want to see how you can go from zero to your first sale in under 24 hours? I'm going to show you the exact system I use to test trending products fast. No wasted time, no slow shipping, no guessing. If you've ever thought dropshipping is dead, you're about to see why that's not true and how modern sellers are doing it better than ever. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So step one, we want to start by finding a trending product to sell. You can start by using TikTok or Instagram or any other trend tracking tools, but you want to look for products that are getting engagement and shares. This shows real demand behind each product. So while most sellers will spend days guessing which products to sell, I focus on signal over noise. Products that are already proven to catch attention online. So I'm gonna scroll TikTok for a few minutes and I'm gonna look at hashtags like TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds, TikTok shop finds, and I'm gonna go ahead and find some trending products that are blowing up right now. So after searching for a while, I found this video right here that was only posted 2 months ago. It has 50,000 likes, 387 comments, over 600 shares, and 14,000 favorites. And if we click on that TikTok shop product that's linked up directly to the video, we can see that it has over 5,500 sold and it's a $60 product. So they've made over $300,000 from just this listing alone. So that definitely shows that there's a ton of demand behind this camera right here. Let's go ahead and try to sell it ourselves. All right, so I went ahead and plugged this product into Zik and I found a couple different brands that are currently selling it right now. The first one right here is Get Snapcam. You can see they're active on TikTok, YouTube, as well as Instagram. And if we scroll down, you can see the product right here, the Snapcam 4K Thumb Action Camera. And it's making $95,000 a month for this brand. You can see their sales chart right here, and sales are pretty consistent for the most part. Moving over to this other brand right here, we have another one selling this exact same camera. This is the POV Pro, povpro.com. They're active on Facebook and Instagram. They have two different products down here, the POV Pro and the POV Pro 4K Ultra HD. So they're the exact same product, just two different variations, and altogether this brand is making $180,000 a month selling this little mini camera. And sales for this brand are very consistent for the most part. You can see all these sales are just over the last 30 days alone. So there's definitely demand behind this product. We found two different brands that are selling it and making over 6 figures a month right now. Not to mention all the viral content on TikTok that we can use for our own brand. So now we need to go ahead and source a supplier for this winning product right here if we want to go ahead and sell it on our own store. So a lot of people like to use AliExpress because it's quick and easy to get started with. So we'll go ahead and see what the prices look like on there. And we can see on AliExpress that we're getting this product for $400, $80, $120, $81, $52, $124, $74, $77, $57. So the cheapest I'm finding this product is for $57 on AliExpress. That's really expensive, especially when other brands are selling this camera for around $65. We're not gonna make any money off of this. So AliExpress definitely isn't the way to go with this. Let's start by sourcing a private supplier instead. That way we can get fast shipping and much lower product costs. So we'll go ahead and log into TeemDrop. This is the private supplier that I've been using for all of my own dropshipping stores recently. And the way TeemDrop works is that once you create an account, they'll assign you your own dedicated account agent and they'll go ahead and source any product you need them to. So TeemDrop works with suppliers directly on 1688 or Taobao, where products are much cheaper than AliExpress. And usually you can't navigate these two sites as a dropshipper because you need an agent to navigate them. But they also have a directory of all their own products as well. So all of these products down here are directly offered by TeemDrop suppliers. So we'll go back up to the top and I'll type in mini camera, the name of our product right there. And we'll scroll through all of these listings until we find the exact one that we're looking for. So this one's kind of similar, but it's not exactly that. Here's another very similar variation, but this one's actually for pets. That's pretty cool. Keep scrolling through all of these, and this one looks like it right here. So they have the exact same product that we're looking for, and it's half the price of AliExpress. On AliExpress, the cheapest we could get this product for was over $57. And on TeemDrop, you're getting it for $26.21. Now we can look right here at all of the different shipping options available. You can get this product delivered in 12 to 18 days, 15 to 20, 8 to 15, 8 to 15, or 5 to 8 days, depending on which option you select. So right now we're getting it delivered in 12 to 18 days. We can upgrade to 8 to 15 by just spending $1 more on shipping right there. And you can see that we're getting this product shipped out the door for $33. Now, the great thing about private suppliers like TeemDrop is you can actually put your logo on your products, on your packaging, create custom thank you cards, or any other branding options you need. And this just really helps you stand out as a brand, instead of looking like one of those scammy dropshipping stores. So right away, you can see all of this high quality content that you can use of this camera right here. Like, you can use any of these photos in your description, on your social media pages, in your ads. In fact, let's find a high quality one down here to use in our own ads. You want to find one without some crazy background, just simply a picture of the product. So I do like this cover image right here. We'll go ahead and save this and we'll use it later. So TeemDrop will provide fast shipping, reliable suppliers, and automatic fulfillment so you can free up your time and focus on what really matters, scaling your store. And branding matters. A professional looking store will convert way better than a generic one. Now that you have a product selected and a high quality supplier sourced for that product, let's go ahead and build a store around it. I'll leave a link for Shopify down below for you guys. You can click that link and sign up for just $1 a month right now. This gives you more than enough time to build your store and start generating sales. So you want to go ahead and link TeemDrop right up to your Shopify store. You're going to go ahead and add your product. You're going to customize your theme pages and just build a professional looking brand. But don't spend more time on this than you need to. Just spend a couple hours making sure your store looks neat and professional. And if you need help setting any of this up, I have a free course linked down below for you guys that'll show you how to do everything. But once you have a product, supplier, and store built, it's time to make some ads. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take that product image that we took from TeemDrop and turn it into a high quality Facebook ad. We'll move over into an AI image generator tool like this. You'll go ahead and upload an image of your product like the one we just saved. We'll upload that there, and you're gonna go ahead and give it a prompt. If you guys don't know what to write for your prompt, you can go into a tool like ChatGPT, and I said, I'm selling a mini 4K action camera in my dropshipping store and need to create high quality Facebook ads to promote it. I have an image of the product with a blank white background that I want to turn into a stunning branded ad for Facebook. Give me a prompt that I can plug into an AI to image gen tool. So it said, a sleek modern Facebook ad design featuring a compact mini 4K action camera as a centerpiece. The camera should look glossy, high tech, and premium. Place the camera on a dynamic background that feels adventurous and exciting, and so on. So we'll go ahead and we'll copy this prompt right here. We'll paste it into our AI image generation tool right there. We uploaded the image. We'll select the image size. We want it to be a square, and we'll go ahead and select 2 outputs. So we'll go ahead and generate based on that right there. And we'll go ahead and wait for this tool to generate those Facebook ads. I'll get back to you guys in just a moment. Wow, and you can see what it generated right here. And this is really good. Look how high quality and professional these ads look. And we made these in minutes with almost no effort. This is how you compete with big brands without hiring a designer. Because just a few years ago, you would have to spend thousands to make high quality ads that looked like this. But now you can do it in minutes with an AI tool like this and test them against each other to find which one performs the best. And that's exactly what we'll be doing in just a moment. So depending on how many ads you made in your AI image generation tool, you'll go ahead and download them all right now. We made 2, so we'll go ahead and test 2 against each other. But just take a look at these. These are so high quality and professional looking. It did a great job. So now we're gonna launch our first campaign and monitor the results closely. You wanna watch metrics closely like your click-through rate, your cost per click, and your cost per acquisition. Small adjustments in your campaigns early can make a major difference down the line. And you don't even wanna waste a single penny on ads. Every dollar matters. So let's go ahead and set up our first ads campaign for this product. We're gonna log into the Facebook ads library. We'll click the big green create button right here. We'll select sales and continue. Give your campaign a name. We'll say camera test 1. Right here where it says campaign budget, you're gonna go ahead and give your campaign a budget. I recommend starting at least $50 a day, but you can go as high or as low as you want to. We'll go ahead and click next. Where it says conversion location, you're just gonna wanna select website. You're gonna link up your Shopify store's pixel right here. You'll want to go ahead and connect it all through Shopify. Keep scrolling down where it says start date. You're going to set that as the following day. You want to set it to start tomorrow at midnight. Because if you start your ad right now, it's going to go ahead and spend that $50 as soon as it's approved. So if your ad gets approved at 11 o'clock tonight, it's going to spend that $50 in just 1 hour and waste your entire ad budget for the day. So you always want to start them the next day at midnight to give them an entire day to spend and optimize and to figure out who to show your ads to. We'll scroll down where it says audience down here. You're gonna select your locations or which countries you're selling to. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this blank as the US for now. Same thing with your age and your languages. And you can actually suggest audiences to Facebook. So right here where it says age, gender, and detailed targeting, you can put in certain interests that relate to your product. So we'll type in camera and we'll see what comes up. So you have cameras, digital camera, camera lens. What if we type in action camera? Okay, so action camera right there is a good category. We'll select that. And then we'll go back up to the top and we'll name this actual ad set action camera because that's the interest that we're testing. So we'll go back up to the top and we'll click one ad up here and we're gonna go ahead and create our actual ad to display. So right here where it says new sales ad, we'll call that ad 1. You're gonna go ahead and select your Facebook page and your Instagram account for this business. So obviously it'd be something related to that camera store and not my marketing agency right here. And down here where it says ad setup, as you might have guessed, this is where we're setting up our actual ad. So keep it on manual upload, single image or video, uncheck multi-advertiser ads. That's just a good way to waste your money. Click right here where it says setup creative. We're gonna do image ad. Click on media, click upload, and we're gonna upload our 2 images that we made on the AI tool. Next, where it says crop right here, you wanna do original for all of these so none of it gets cropped out. And right here is where you're gonna put in the actual ad copy. So primary text is all the text that's displayed above your image. Headline is obviously the headline and description is the small text below the headline. So we'll start by where it says call to action. You always wanna select shop now. For headline, we can say 50% camera sale. And for description, we can say sale ends tonight. The primary text is the one that you actually want to spend the most time on and focus on because this is what actually sells your product. This is what your customer is reading on their feed. So we'll go back over to ChatGPT and I'll say, give me primary text to use on meta ads. So I like when it does this, it went ahead and gave me 5 variations, although all of these are pretty short. From what I've seen recently testing Facebook ads, long form copy is converting the best. So I'll say, try long form as well. I said long form. So we'll go ahead and test one of these long form variations because based on my own experience, this is what converts the best in Facebook ads right now. Now I've talked to many other agency owners as well, and they're all saying the same thing. Use long form ad copy. So we'll copy this first variation right there, although it gave us 5 to choose from. I really like that. It actually gave us 3, 5 on the first one. We'll paste that where it says primary text. Click next, accept, done. And you guys can see your ad right here. Look how good this looks. This is exactly what's going to display on everybody's Facebook feed. So we'll scroll down, make sure all of that looks good. Don't select any of this. Sometimes it's gonna give you variations that you can use as well. Just ignore all of that. Where it says website right here, you're gonna paste your landing page in there. So your product page where your customers land on once they click on your ad. You can change the display link if you want it to say something else. And then make sure all of your pixels and everything are selected down here. Since we made 2 different variations of this image ad, we'll go back up to the top. Where it says add 1 right there, you'll select duplicate, 1, show existing reactions, and duplicate. Where it says add 1 copy, go ahead and name this ad 2. Scroll down where it says media, you're gonna click this little remove media button right here. You're gonna add media, you're gonna add your image, you're gonna click where it says media, and you're gonna go ahead and upload that second image that we generated. So confirm right here that your ad looks good and everything's good to go. Then you're gonna go back to where it says action camera right here under ad sets. And depending on how much money you're spending on the actual campaign level, you're gonna duplicate these. So I like to allocate at least $10 per ad set, even though Facebook will optimize everything for you. This time we're gonna do 4 copies so that we have 5 in total. That way we can allocate $10 to each ad set, even though we're doing it on the campaign level. So click on each ad set that says copy right there. Scroll down to the interest targeting where we said action camera, and you guys can find other interests to target as well. So right here we have GoPro, which is our exact competitor. That's really good. We'll get rid of action camera. We'll go back up to the top and we'll call this one GoPro. We'll move back over to action camera copy number 2 right here. This time let's do broad targeting. We'll just call this one broad. We'll go down to the interest down here and we'll get rid of the interest entirely. For this one, we'll let Facebook optimize for us. We'll go back to the third copy right here of action camera and let's select another interest. Right here we have extreme sports. Those are people that would be interested in buying this camera because you can record it all. So we'll go back up to the top and we'll call this one extreme sports. Here's the actual action camera one that we created the first time. So we'll go up to the fourth copy right here, and we're just doing this one more time. So scroll down to the interest and let's find one to use. So video blog is a good one, targeting bloggers, people that would use this camera. Get rid of action camera again. We'll go back up to the top and we'll call this one bloggers. So once you have all of your ad sets set up and everything's customized and looks good to go, click on camera test 1 and go ahead and click publish. Now, based on everything we just set up, your ads are gonna go live tonight at midnight. And we're ready to start testing this winning product that we just found 10 minutes ago. It's never been easier than this. So this is how you can test a product in just 24 hours without wasting weeks or hundreds of dollars on unproven ideas. And if you wanna skip the dropshipping supplier headaches and start testing products the right way, check out TeemDrop. That's how I've been doing it. So in just the last few minutes, I've laid out the exact blueprint you can use to find a winning product and test it within the same day. And there's so many different ways of doing this. You can test this product with TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, TikTok organic. I just wanted to show you guys how simple it was to find a $100,000 a month product and start testing it with Facebook ads. And if it truly is a trending product with high demand, you'll be able to make those same sales yourself within the first couple of weeks. Don't sleep on this strategy. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. And if you want help getting started and building your own dropshipping store, check out the many links I have for you down below. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.